Okay guys, so now I'm waiting for some parts, but while I'm waiting for the parts, I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this bumper like usual. I like saving stuff and saving money. So this bumper is really not that bad. It might seem bad, but honestly this hole is really easy to fix. The worst part about it is this crack. I mean, not this crack, it's completely broken apart, so I have to fix that. But beyond that, everything else seems to be perfect. So these scratches ain't nothing. This is something that the buffer will take care of, so not really that concerned about that. So for this, this is what I'm using, guys. This stuff, and I'm not being sponsored by no one, so that's what I'm using. JB Weld epoxy to fill this hole and to connect that, to weld that together. So let me do that. We gotta remove this lower balance first, and yeah, let me remove this bottom plastic first. Okay guys, so I got a smooth surface already right here on top of the bumper, and well, the back doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna clean it. I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun because it's popping out a bit. I don't know if you guys could tell, so I need to hit it with the heat gun and push this thing that way so it could be flat, and right here try to push it up also so you could get it so it could be as flush as possible with the rest. And after I do that, I'm just gonna put like a piece of vinyl like I did with the Kia vinyl, and then turn it around and put all the epoxy, so all the epoxy could flow down like up here and fill this whole gap, and let it dry. Once I let it dry, I'm gonna hit it with the sander and smooth everything back in like how it has to be, and that's it. And the bottom piece, this is gonna be the hardest one. Like I said, I need to hit it with the heat gun and then find a way to hold this in place and then add the epoxy. But this is gonna be the hardest one. This is gonna be the easiest one. So let's see how this goes. We're gonna let this dry overnight and continue on that side tomorrow, because I really don't want to move anything right now. I don't want to mess that up. So that's it for the bumper for right now. Okay guys, so this is the top part now. I added a little bit more because there was some holes, as you can see right here. You can probably see it too right here. There's some higher parts and some low spots, so I did on the top. I put this vinyl right here so it could act as a barrier, so the epoxy could go all the way to the edge and have a flat, a straight edge right here at the bottom. It is kind of bumpy right now, but it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna sand it and maybe apply just a thin layer of Bondo. I really don't want to use Bondo, but let me see if the epoxy takes care of it. If not, then I'll probably add maybe a little bit more epoxy or Bondo, either way. But now I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, while I wait on the parts for the BMW, I'm gonna continue working on the hood of the BMW. I mean, like, wait for the part for the Mini Cooper. I'm gonna continue working on the BMW. Aquí en mí. Okay guys, here's the bumper for the Mini Cooper. I already did some Bondo. You saw me did the epoxy, so now it's time to do some primer. Looking kind of good. What's up guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Let me know what you guys think of the bumper so far. I'm trying to save it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to save it. The hole that I was working on this video, you know, looks okay. You know, by the time that you guys see this video, the bumper's already painted. I did a little paint on that, so I know it looks better. It's not perfect, but it looks better, so I got to save it. I still gotta work on the bottom piece. The bottom piece is the one that's giving me kind of a hard time, but I found a way already. Like I said, you didn't see it in this video, but you probably see it next week. I'll probably try to upload another video on Monday. It's been a while since I've uploaded 2 videos on the same week, but I'm gonna try to do that again. Maybe at least this week, this coming week, this Monday. You know, I'll try to upload a different video, a new video, and that'll be pretty much it. You know, by the time you guys see this video, which is gonna be tonight, Friday, or today's Thursday night, but you're probably gonna see it Friday. So I'll have the parts for the Mini Cooper, and you know, I already installed most of the parts. I'm uploading photos on Instagram, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and you can see the photos that I've been uploading on the Mini Cooper. And that's pretty much it. You know, the car is turning out pretty cool. I want to finish this and, you know, start on my new project. And like I said, that's pretty much it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, comment, like, subscribe, share, and that's pretty much it guys. Hopefully you liked the video, and see you guys in the next